the money-making hack you've been waiting for. Turn your passion for sharing opinions into a profitable venture by becoming a product reviewer. Imagine earning money just by reviewing products you already love. It's simple. Share your honest opinions and get paid for it. From blogs and websites to social media and online marketplaces, there's no limit to where you can post your reviews and earn. You can make anywhere from $5 to $100 per review. Plus, earn commissions through affiliate marketing and even get free products to keep or resell. Want to get started? Create a profile on review platforms, showcase your writing skills, and connect with brands looking for reviewers like you. Testing products before they hit the market? Sign up with product testing companies, complete your profile, and start receiving products to test and review. Not only will you earn money, but you'll also help companies improve their products with your valuable feedback. It's a win-win! Top product review websites like User Testing, iSay, and Vindale Research are ready to pay you for your insights. Don't miss out! Becoming a product reviewer also means building a loyal following and establishing yourself as a trusted influencer in your niche. Imagine receiving free products, building your brand, and developing valuable skills like writing and social media marketing, all while earning extra income. Consistency and quality are key. Deliver thorough and honest reviews to maximize your earnings and attract more opportunities. Ready to start your journey as a product reviewer? Share your expertise, engage with your audience, and turn your passion into profit today.